In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set usage limits for the Openai or Chatgpt API. This process is essential if you want to manage and control your expenses efficiently while utilizing these powerful tools. Setting usage limits helps ensure you stay within budget and avoid unexpected charges. So let's dive in and take you through the straightforward steps to set these limits effectively. First, you'll want to log into your Openai API account. If you're not familiar with how to access this, simply head over to the Openai platform website and enter your login credentials. This is your starting point for managing all your API settings, including billing and usage. Once you're logged in, navigate to the billing section. You'll usually find this under your account settings. Clicking on Go to Billing is your next step. This section gives you an overview of your account's billing activities and status, which is crucial for tracking how much you've been using and spending. In the billing section, you'll see an option labeled Usage Limits. Click on this to access the settings that allow you to manage the maximum amount you want to spend on API usage. It's important to note that to manage these usage limits, you need to be on a paid plan. If you're currently using a free plan, you'll need to upgrade to unlock this feature. Now that you're in the right place, you can set your hard and soft usage limits. The hard limit is the absolute cap on your API usage. Once this limit is reached, the service stops until the next billing cycle. This is a great way to prevent overspending and ensures you stay within your desired budget. On the other hand, the soft limit serves as a cautionary alert. Once your usage approaches this threshold, you'll receive a notification prompting you to review your consumption patterns. It's an excellent tool for early intervention and budgeting awareness. Remember, choosing the right limits is crucial. Think carefully about your typical usage patterns and budget constraints. It's always easier to adjust these settings over time as you gain a deeper understanding of your needs and the API's role in your operations. That's the whole process. Quick, right? Taking a few minutes to set these parameters can provide significant peace of mind by giving you control over your API spending. I hope this guide helps you efficiently manage your resources while making the most of what OpenAI and ChatGPT have to offer. Thank you for tuning into this instructional guide, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have further questions or need additional assistance. Enjoy the seamless experience of using these advanced tools within your set financial limits.